Welcome to my channel. Let's think straight. So today we are going to talk about SSC CGL. Are you someone who is preparing for SSC CGL 2026? So here are a few things you really need to know about before starting your preparation. First one is syllabus. Syllabus is very important. You really need to know your syllabus to be on track. Second is timely completion of your syllabus. And also do not skip anything from your syllabus. Next thing is mock test. Mock test is really important to improve your score. So at least 2 or 3 mock tests are mandatory every week. Next one is revision. You really need to revise your syllabus twice or thrice before your exam. If you really want to know strategy about how you can practically complete your syllabus within 3 to 4 months, then stay tuned. Stay tuned to my channel. Let's think straight. Thank you.